Hi everyone, my name is Klaus. Welcome to another video on my channel. As you can already tell, I decided to have all my content in English. I hope you can get behind that and support it. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beat like Travis Scott. So without any further ado, let's get into the cook-up. So we are in FL Studio. We're going to start with this guitar. And the melody sounds like this. Now how I made it sound like that, because usually it sounded like this. I basically did an EQ, cutting some of the lows, boosting a bit of a high, and I found this free plugin called Wow and Fluter, and it just works magic. So yeah, go ahead and look for that. It's free again. Next up, I added a bass and it sounds like this. On this bass, basically I went to modulator and legato and I left it like that. And these are the notes. Next, I went and added a piano. After that, I added a choir that goes like this. And altogether should sound something like this. Now for the drum part, I added a simple snare. Added an 808. Added a kick. Hi-hats. Added open hi-hat. And lastly, I added this percussion sound. Now that we have all the elements, I'm gonna go mix it, arrange it a little bit, and should be back in a sec. I'm back. So basically what I did, I exported the main melody. And after I exported it, I reversed it, and now it sounds like this. And then I took it a lower octave and it sounds like this. And together it sounds like this. And the reason I did that is just to fill out the frequencies and to make it sound more full. And together with the melody, obviously I panned it left and right, and I adjusted the volume so it's not going to be too present. So together with the melody it should sound like this. Alright, and now let's hear the full song. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below if you have any suggestion. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow me on Instagram, and till next time, stay hydrated.